following the rules around how to move around the college. When I come in, I get my temperature taken, wash my hands, use my ID to sign into the college. To protect themselves and to protect the students, essentially to minimise the risk of infection. The last thing we would want is to have everything locked down. To protect other people, to protect ourselves, to protect our wider family, the people we come into contact with. Currently it's based online, effectively. Occasionally the office is manned. I'll answer phone calls wherever I can, but for the quickest response, email us, studentsupport@pca.ac.uk. The students specifically come to me with regard to issues around counselling, mental health, maybe well-being. I get all sorts of queries, some of which I have no expertise on, finance, so a student might be distressed about finance questions, so they'll think they'll need counselling, and often counselling can be helpful for a chat, but I would then also direct them on to someone who knows about finance or disability or some issue related to supporting the student. Yeah, don't hang on to it. You know, a significant percentage of students across the whole country will be experiencing mental health issues at the moment. We're in a new world at the moment of online learning. It's new pressures and stresses. So many students are experiencing the same thing, and you're not talking to each other. You don't know what other people are feeling because you're locked in your flat, you're working online, you're not socialising in the way that you used to. Talk to somebody, please. Just email me and I'll do what I can. And there are 6 counsellors altogether here willing to listen and support you in any way they can. Share it with somebody.